Don't talk about Wikipedia. It's a nightmare. Every time I go and change, but now I've given up. I don't care really. How can they allow someone to fiddle around with somebody's history
And legacy.
and their legacy and information? It really should be stopped. It's misinforming people.
Do you ever have had a problem where people have not seen beyond that after a certain while?
Stunning people have a lot of disadvantages in life.
When did you first meet Raj Kapoor sir? And what was your interaction with him?
I have known him as a child. We used to live in Matunga. My grandfather has all his sisters there, the whole Raj Kapoor family, his cousins, everybody. They all lived there.
A lot of accomplished women intimidate men. Your experience?
They don't intimidate, they get intimidated. That is the problem. And so was my grandfather. He was the Director General, All India Radio.
Yes.
He had created the station and set up everything for All India Radio.
Salam Namaste to you. This is Manju Ramanan and welcome to the Majlis Show with Manju Ramanan. Today on the show, I have a very spunky artist, a legend, whose songs we have listened to from a very long time. We have in the studio today the very legendary and a lot of people's favorites, Salma Aghaji. Welcome to the show, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I was so engrossed in my own introduction that I felt wonderful. Thank you so much. I've seen a couple of your shows and they're very interesting and I love them.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And I thank you for the time that you've spent. I know you've had to rescue a baby cat and you've come all the way. And what you're wearing today reflects the color of your eyes. Now tell me what is the exact color of your eye first?
Color of my eye. Color of my eyes is it's a kind of green, blue,
Yeah?
navy blue, gold.
Yeah.
Yes, it's multicolored.
Okay.
Multicolored, yes.
Okay.
And it changes every time I see a nice person like you.
How lovely. I remember Nikah with a very interesting episode. It was the first cassette ever I owned. So it was Betab on one side and Nikah on the other side. And we have listened to Dil Ke Armaan and my favorite is Fiza Bhi Hai Jawa Jawa.
So is mine. I love that.
Yeah?
Yes,
We'd
I
like
love
to
that.
start the show with two lines of that song.
Okay. फजा भी है जवा जवा हवा भी है रवा रवा सुना रहा है ये समा सुनी सुनी सी दास्तां फजा भी है जवा जवा.
And this is a beautiful song, and thank you for singing it. And you've told me that at times this is a song that you have sung over and over and over again over many, many, many years. And you just mentioned that you...
Yes, sometimes in the hall and the venue, like people come in a little late. And so, they persisted. And I remember in Houston, I sang it 5 times.
And Dil Ke Armaan, of course.
Dil Ke Armaan, yes.
That is another...
That has gone into the evergreen category.
Yeah, it's a signature song.
How people have appreciated me and loved my music.
Right.
Grateful to them.
Yes. Also the fact that Nikah was such a resounding hit and the character was also a very strong character of the woman, that Nilofer, the character of Nilofer.
Especially those days, no such character existed.
Yeah.
But it was my ideal character. A woman who can speak up. for her rights.
And that is something that Nilofer stays with you all throughout your life. The character that you played is a strong woman, and she.
It's a woman I have already appreciated.
Yeah.
Yes.
And through your life, through your trials and tribulations, you've always stayed that strong and stood up for yourself.
Alhamdulillah.
And
Yes.
multiple things happen, you've been to so many countries across the world.
Yeah.
You've been a single mom. You've been, you've been somebody who's been part of the film industry or also and held yourself together. And you mentioned that at one point of time you had both your children who were very little and you had this long concerts. So can we talk about that?
Yes. What I was trying to say to you is that I've never left my children unattended because of my profession or any other cause in the world.
Right.
I've always been with them.
Right.
And I think a mother being with the children is the biggest education.
Right.
It's bigger and larger than life, any school, anything.
Right.
That's what I think.
And how young were they when you were traveling and you had shows across
They were,
the US?
I still do shows, but that time they were like 3 years old. My son and Zara was like maybe 6 or something.
Yeah.
She was 6. So those were the days. Yes. But I have good memories because I never felt that I was on my own raising 2 children.
Right.
Yeah.
And how did you manage to be in the film industry and still hold your ground? And for a single woman, it wasn't easy.
It's how much how much you love your work, how passionate you are about things that you want to do in life.
Right.
And I have, aside my film work and my music and all that, I have lots of other occupations as well.
You paint.
As a person, yes. I paint. I look after strays,
Yes.
which is my favorite job. And other than that, I like traveling also, which I have traveled a lot
Right.
with my children, of course, always. So, there are lots of things there are occupations in life which you should find always, which are useful to other people and your soul.
Right. And you have an
People
occupation.
should benefit from whatever you do. It shouldn't be your own self always. What suits me.
Yeah, so it's
No.
not art for art's sake, but art for
yes.
the larger good.
Right.
Your grandmother's been an actor. Your mother's been an actor. You are an actor. Your daughter is an actor. I mean, actor-singer. I'm talking about
Actor,
both.
singer, yes.
What did you learn from your grandmother and your mother?
They were ladies with very strong characters, fantastic artists. My mother's recording is in the French university
Okay.
in Paris
Uh-huh.
for teaching.
Wow.
She was she was very accomplished classical
Musician,
singer.
singer.
Yes. And they still preserve that so people can hear and learn from it. It's a rag called Shankara and the other one was Malkons. These are two rags.
Okay.
So
So when you think of your mother, these are the two.
yes, I was very much inspired by my mother.
Yeah.
She was my inspiration, my everything in life.
And when you entered the industry, what was something that they would have, cautioned you or spoken to you about? What did they say? What did they tell you at that time?
At that time, there was nothing happening where you needed to be precautioned. Life was very good, and people were also very good. I'm not saying that people now are not good,
Yeah.
but everybody was living a very laid-back life, and they were artists. They were worried about what characters they are going to play and how they should look on screen, and there was no rat race, and there were no jealousies, and people would, intermingle. It was like one big family.
Yeah.
Where now I feel it's a lot of commercial side to it.
Is it also
and
how
maybe
you
the
see
artists
it?
and the people are not quite so close to each other as they used to be.
Mm-hmm. So in the time that you were an actor, you had friends across all your peers, all your
Yes, I
contemporaries?
still have. I have my friends. There are lots of. I have lots of friends out of these young girls now and the new artists.
Yes.
Depends on the type of person you are.
Right.
But like there were no jealousies between leading ladies for a start,
Right.
which was great.
Yeah.
And nobody would there was no ill speech about each other.
Right.
The goodness was in abundance.
Amazing.
In
And also
other
you
words.
choose to see it like that.
Yes, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe you're right. This is how I want to see things anyway.
Yes. Also, the fact that sometimes a very beautiful actor who's so immensely talented, uh, people just stop at her looks and her voice. Do you ever have had a problem where people have not seen beyond that after a certain while? Because sometimes stunning people light up the screen and people are just transfixed looking at them and their voices.
Stunning people have a lot of disadvantages in life.
Exactly.
Major disadvantages. They never know why and what the other person actually means or feels for you. You never get down as deep as that.
Right.
Things are on the surface.
Because you're not carrying that all the time. For you, you are just interacting as a person.
Yeah.
But somebody else thinks that you have
you
a
miss
baggage
out on a lot of very good sides in life.
to that person.
Yes.
And you see that? Did you experience that?
A lot of times, yes.
And how did you deal with it?
I'm not saying I'm stunning, but
You are.
surely not. No. What I mean to say is that they say, like in Hindi, oh, ये कितनी खूबसूरत है, इससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत को और हो नहीं सकता, आदमी हो या औरत हो. बट वहाँ आके चीज़ रुक जाती है.
आगे उन लोग नहीं देखते हैं.
उससे आगे नहीं कोई देखना चाहता, देखना नहीं कोई चाहता. सो कहते हैं कि किसी को ज़मीन नहीं मिलती, किसी को आसमान नहीं मिलता, हमेशा सबको मुकम्मल जहाँ नहीं मिलता.
कभी किसी को.
So we, all said and done, we are grateful to God of the things He's blessed us with.
Yeah. And also the fact that we were speaking outside when we were talking just before the interview, that a lot of accomplished women intimidate men.
Yeah.
Your experience.
They don't intimidate, they get intimidated. That is the problem. होता है ऐसा. खुद ही हो जाते हैं तो क्या किया जाए. फिर you cannot lose your qualities.
Right. Do you see that there are certain kind of people, it could be men and women, largely it happens with women, that if they act in a certain way and act submissive and act...
They do.
They do better in life?
Yes, they do better in life. I don't know how to do this. Immediately somebody will get him. मैं करके देता हूँ. मैं करता हूँ.
So you get the...
No. With maybe women like you and me, if there's something happen, I say, Ruko. I'll do it. I'll do it. You don't bother. Sit down. I'll do it. And that's it. You're done for.
Yeah.
For the rest of your life,
you'll be doing it.
you'll be doing it. यही करते जाओ.
ये तो कर सकती है. She can do it.
She can do it. Nobody understands that what is the good part of giving a helping hand.
Yeah.
You just did it because you wanted to do something.
It requires a certain kind of a man to understand that a strong woman also has a soft side. Yes. And that side needs to be nurtured.
Only a real man would understand. Go find one. There are very few left anyway.
Yeah. Right. So across so many countries, you lived in Pakistan, you lived in the UK. Tell me about your experiences of staying closer to your roots despite being a world citizen.
I have lived everywhere in the world, really. In patches.
Yeah.
I like traveling.
Yeah. Okay.
And I love people. I love nature. And anything else which is natural and not put up.
Yeah. And you have a great sense of humor. We just were laughing outside about many things that happen.
Well, you develop one with time. When you become to know the reality of life,
right?
You say, okay,
a good laugh is good.
Good laugh, yes.
So have you learned?
And this is a only a person with a good sense of humor means that he really understands life.
And a woman gets, I think, more attractive when she gets older because the sense of humor is unbridled. There is no fear.
Yes.
Now it is.
Joan Collins at 65, 70 was the sex symbol of the US.
Yes, yes.
It depends on how you treat yourself.
Right.
Because self-treatment is something which will reflect not only on yourself,
Right.
it reflects on your family, your children, everybody. If you're good, things are good. If you're not good, that's it.
You come from a family of very strong women. Your grandmother has been an actor, your mother, yourself, and Zara now. So tell me about that legacy and how many generations now?
It's the fifth generation now, and strong women, yes, but artists.
Yes.
I would rather call them artists because my entire family, there are some poets, writers, artists, singers, and I really cherish that. I really like that feeling.
Okay. And if you can tell me something about your
My grandmother's name was Anwar Begum, the first ever made Heer Ranja. She starred in that as Heer. And
which year
my
would this be?
grandfather was Ranja in it. His name was Jugal Kishore Mehra.
Okay, yes.
And then my mother...
And Jugal Kishore Mehra was related to Prithviraj Kapoor.
Yes. Yes, Prithviraj Kapoor...
wife?
No, Prithviraj Kapoor's mother and my grandfather, Jugal Kishore Mehra, were real sister and brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that close.
Yes.
Okay.
So then my mother did Shah Jahan, which was A.K. Kardar's film.
Okay.
And this was the film with this very hit song. It had this... what was the song? जब दिल ही टूट गया तो जी के क्या करेंगे. That was
हम जी के क्या करेंगे जब
and great people were introduced in that. Naushad Saab, the music director,
yes, of course.
that was his debut.
Okay.
Majroo Sultanpuri ji, unka bhi debut tha.
Okay.
It was my mother's debut film, and the leading man was Sehgal.
उनका ही तो गाना है ना. The song is also picturized on him.
Yes,
right?
yes.
KL Sehgal sahab. Okay. So that's a legacy that you carry together.
Yeah.
But also we were talking about it again, that a lot of material about you, a lot of information about you on Wikipedia is all wrong.
Don't talk about Wikipedia. It's a nightmare. Every time I go and change, but now I've given up. I don't care really.
Yeah.
Every time I go and correct the information, even my father's name is not his real name. I don't know what the problem is. Somebody goes and changes it. How can they allow someone to fiddle around with somebody's history
And legacy.
and their legacy and information? It really should be stopped.
Yeah.
It's misinforming people.
Yeah, including your first, when I was looking through it, there was something called Jwala Daku, which was your first, even the name sounds...
Who is that? No. We have nothing to do with Dakus. Certainly.
Right. Also, the films of the time that you were in, and you've also done films with Mithun Da and so many other actors. But before that, I want to know your, when did you first meet Raj Kapoor Sahab? And what was your interaction with him?
I have known him as a child. We used to live in Matunga. My grandfather has all his sisters there. The whole Raj Kapoor family, his cousins, everybody, they all lived there. But as an actress, it's very unfortunate because my family was all against films, and at that time, none of the Kapoor girls were also allowed
to act,
to do any films.
Okay.
So what happened was that he thought that I could do this film which Zeba did.
Hina.
And my grandfather stood against it, and he called him and said that, you know, very emotional, that you know how close you are to me, and never make that mistake. Otherwise, these girls, they'll.
But Hina was done, was it before or after Nikah?
No, this was before.
Much before Nikah.
Yes, and he said, no, don't cast her in the film.
Okay.
So he couldn't do that because it's a family thing. But fortunately, B.R. Chopra ji didn't. He's a very good friend and a close friend of my grandfather.
Okay.
They were both press people, media.
Ah, okay. Oh, okay.
Chopra Sahab was also a media person, and so was my grandfather. He was the Director General, All India Radio.
Yes.
He had created the station and set up everything for All India Radio. And he also called him and said, don't do that. हमारी लड़की को फिल्म में नहीं आना, आपने नहीं लेना. इस खुद कोशिश करके चली आएगी, वापस आ जाएगी.
But you were interested in
No, I was like, I don't know, something in the blood is wrong. Waves जो हैं वो ठीक नहीं आते हैं. All my children, I never asked Zara to sing or to act. My son, he's getting trained for films also.
Right.
So I don't know, it just naturally comes. वो कहते हैं और कोई काम ही नहीं आता, बेकार लोग हैं. या गाते हैं, acting.
But you take, you wear your legacy very lightly. You know, there are a lot of people with legacies of music who are very serious about it. You wear it lightly. You're the most easy to talk to.
I am very, very happy to hear that. People should be easy to talk to. You should feel comfortable when you're talking to somebody.
Right.
And a lot of credit goes to my mother, because this is how we've been brought up.
Right.
You know, ज़मीन के लोग हो, ज़मीन पे रहो. Does not matter what you become.
But that's so difficult to
And
also
what
hold
you
on
become is what people have made you.
to. Right.
Salma Agha is no Salma Agha. She's Salma Agha because people made her Salma Agha. The amount of appreciation
But
they have given me
but
has made me what I am.
Has there been any such time when you did not follow that, or you realized it later? Because fame also is very difficult to handle. Not everybody can
Very
handle fame.
difficult, yes.
So how did you manage fame? And
I took it with a pinch of salt.
okay.
I don't know. I'm just somebody who doesn't take anything to the head.
Okay.
You know, we're human beings first. We are people. We are creations of our God and Mother. You know, so we should live like that. That is a profession. Treat it like that.
And you could hang your boots and become the mother in the house once you
Oh yes.
step into the house.
Yes, yes, yes.
There's no actor, no singer.
Not even a mother, they call me Amma. Mother तो फिर भी अब हमारी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो नहीं
मम्मी,
कहने भी
हाँ,
नहीं
हाँ,
देते.
हाँ, हाँ.
They don't even take the children out with them. हमारे सेट पे बच्चे भागते थे. Live naturally, you'll be a much happier person end of the
Yeah.
days, you know.
Yeah. And
Go
we were talking
smooth in
about
life.
how mothers can be so strong. We were talking about that concept of a mother is a very strong person.
Mother is made out of a formula which is yet to be discovered by human beings.
Right.
और सारे रिश्ते जो है ना, उनका फॉर्मूला पता होता है क्या है,
हाँ.
माँ का नहीं पता होता.
It's beautiful what you say. It's touching at the same time, funny
कोई
at the
फर्क
same time.
You don't know what she can do for you.
Yeah.
There are no limits to it. Is there another relationship
No.
where you can say that this person would do anything for me? No, he'll disappoint you. He won't. I'm calling him a he. I'm not calling him a she. Because we also have this concept that ये जो साथ होता है,
हाँ, आपने बताया.
ये जो साथ होता है किसी का और कंपेनियनशिप होती है और किसी के साथ अच्छा लगता है रह के, it is not restricted to gender or sex
Right.
or looks or anything else, nothing. It's a feeling.
Yeah.
कि ये हमें अच्छा लगता, बहुत मज़ा आता है. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, लोग बहुत मज़ा आता है बात करके, इकट्ठे बैठते हैं. यही तो सारा रिलेशनशिप है. What has a man got to do with it?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's genderless. Relationships are genderless
Yes,
to a
they're
large
gender-
extent.
Yes, they have no.
And you don't need to stay with the person to be close
No.
to the person.
No, no,
Yeah.
no. It's a feeling. और जिसके साथ अच्छा लगे उसी के साथ रहना चाहिए.
And you've always followed your heart.
Yes, I have.
And you have chosen to follow your heart despite what people say. And annoying questions
I've
would
done
have come.
whatever I.
Annoying
whatever I
questions would have come
wanted
your
to
way.
do, I've always done.
But it also takes a lot of guts.
No regrets. No regrets at all.
Yeah.
I don't call it mistakes.
Yeah.
It's part of life.
Yeah.
जब आदमी चलता है.
It's an experience. It's an
j-
experience.
It's an experience. It's okay. Doesn't matter. I have no
You don't have to
regrets.
taint it with good or
and
bad.
I
It's-
wouldn't even call anybody bad. Everybody has their own
Yeah.
way of life.
Yeah.
तो उसका वो वैसा होगा तो वो नहीं है. Oh, it's okay. He followed his way of life.
Yeah. But वो guts भी चाहिए ना. लोग कितने people stay together for children. People stay together for family.
Family.
Stigma,
Yeah.
social status, ranking, कितना कुछ है.
अरे लोग तो इतना कितना इकट्ठा रहते हैं कि जब बच्चे जवान हो जाएं और वो स्टेटमेंट वाज अ हाईलाइट कि मैं इंतजार कर रही हूँ कि
इसकी
मेरी आखिरी बेटी की शादी हो जाए
और मैं इसको
तो
छोड़
मैं
दूँ.
इसको डिवोर्स दे सकूं. इससे ज्यादा तो अच्छा है कि आदमी अकेला रह ले. वेनम पाल के
हाँ. Then you're
है ना.
waiting for that one
नहीं,
opportunity.
वो बच्चों में आ जाती है ना वो. डेफिनेटली कम्स इन द चिल्ड्रन
Yeah.
बिकॉज समवेयर कहीं ना कहीं वो चलती है साथ. दैट फीलिंग चिल्ड्रन डेफिनेटली गेट.
Yeah. Also, there is also this toxic thing sometimes, na, with mothers, or it happens
या
where you say कि ये मैंने तुम्हारे लिए किया, ये सारा सहन जो भी मैंने किया मेरे लाइफ में, it's big for you. The child says I never asked for it.
एक टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप का एक और दो का नहीं होता. वो चारों तरफ फैलता है. उसके जोन में जो भी आता है ना
उसको ले लेते हैं.
वो किसी ना वो उसको लेता है, उसको लेके चला जाता है साथ.
Right.
They think by keeping quiet in the room because the child has walked in, they won't know what is happening.
They're very
बच्चे तो
perceptive.
प्यार से पलते हैं ना.
Perceptive होते हैं ना बच्चे.
Perceptive.
और आजकल के बच्चे तो और भी ज़्यादा they are
हाँ.
like sponges. They can absorb everything.
और आपके देखिए रिलीजन ने, हम लोग के रिलीजन ने, कुरान ने कहा है कि अगर नहीं बनती तो तलाक ले लो. कोई तो लॉजिक होगा. एटलीस्ट यू डोंट
You're not
bring up
fooling
6 children.
And you're not fooling yourself for the
Don't fool
person.
yourself. It's a lie. It's a lie.
You can't live a lie.
No. I've
पर
never.
आप ट्रूथफुल हो तो आपको कभी हुआ है कि आपकी ट्रूथफुलनेस हैज कॉस्ट यू? इट कुड बी रिलेशनशिप्स, इट नीड नॉट बी मनी ओनली, इट कुड बी एनीथिंग.
My temperament may be yes. My temperament may be yes. Yes. नहीं, कोई रिग्रेट्स हमने कहा में नहीं होते. हमें कभी भी रिग्रेट्स नहीं है.
That's
ऐसा नहीं कि
amazing.
किसी का दिल दुखा के हमें रिग्रेट नहीं
हाँ,
होता.
हाँ.
बट जो चीज़ हमने की है, खुद की है,
हाँ.
उसका हमें कोई रिग्रेट नहीं है. वो अच्छा था, बस खत्म हो
Beautiful.
गया. वो उसका उससे ज़्यादा
full stop.
स्ट्रेंथ नहीं थी उसमें.
हाँ.
उससे
Linger on.
ज़्यादा
हाँ.
दम नहीं था.
हाँ.
या मे भी उससे ज़्यादा शायद उसमें मोहब्बत ना हो.
Hmm.
हर आदमी में एक उससे होती है ना, एक अंदाजे से होती है.
Right.
इतनी आप में है, इतनी हम में है, किसी में इतनी होती है, किसी में इतनी सी होती है, तो उसकी फॉल्ट नहीं है वो. He is born
Capacity.
like this. She is born like this. उसकी कैपेसिटी है. हमारे हर किस्म के लोगों के साथ दोस्ती है. वो कहते हैं इसने ऐसे बात की थी तो तुम्हें बुरा नहीं लगा? हमने कहा नहीं, हमें बुरा बिल्कुल नहीं लगा. इसलिए कि ये जितना इतना सा है ना, ये सब्र करके हमारे लिए इतना बड़ा हो गया था. सब्र
That's
से.
his limit.
हाँ,
That's his.
सब उसकी लिमिट थी. आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू दैट पर्सन. थैंक यू.
But it comes with a lot of healing also. What you're talking about.
Yeah.
आपने अपने आप पे सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन बहुत किया हुआ है, बहुत सेल्फ हीलिंग आपने करी है. डू यू थिंक दैट हैपेंस ओवर
Self
टाइम?
healing is when people start hurting you to the extent that वो खुद ही एक वो है ना, वो कहता है ये मेरा बंदा है, इतनी तकलीफ बर्दाश्त कर सकता है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकता. वो कहता है मैं तुम्हें उतना बोझ डालूंगा जितना तुम उठा सको.
God gives his
हाँ. फिर वो उससे
biggest battles to his strongest soldiers, ablest
Yeah,
soldiers,
yeah.
is what they say. Yeah, because you're worthy of that
He
examination.
looked at you. He looked at you
Yeah.
and he wanted to test you.
Amazing.
Does this one love me or not?
Lovely.
I'm worthy of his test.
Wow.
So I take all his pains, everything, And I don't even call it pains exactly, but tests or whatever. I think it's great.
Amazing insight. What a beautiful insight this is. And I think it's a lot of wisdom coming through. Yeah, there's so much to learn. Yeah, this is so beautiful what you just said about this experience. As an
Yeah,
actor,
this is how it is
as
actually.
an actor, आप sensitive हो, आप hurt, आप artist हो. So there are times when you get hurt. बहुत सारे होते हैं आसपास के लोग हो
होते
validation.
हैं आदमी
But
के
how
में।
do you protect that inner core of you, which is untouched? It's just your relationship with your art form or your relationship with your God. How do you protect that pristine part? उसके लिए क्या करते हो आप?
ये एक इट्स अ हेल्प बाय गॉड. जिन लोगों को अपने नज़दीक समझता है ना, उनके नज़दीक तक तकलीफ आने नहीं देता वो. सी उसने आई वर्क अ लॉट विद एनिमल्स. ठीक है, हमने देखा है कि एक बिल्ली जो है ना, जब वो बच्चे देती है, इट्स अमेजिंग. शी इज़ क्रेजी अबाउट द चिल्ड्रन. वो ऐसे खा जाएगी. उसके बच्चे को हाथ लगाए ना आप, तो वो मारती है आपको, पंजे मारती, डोंट टच माई चाइल्ड. वही बिल्ली जो है, वो जब बच्चे दूध उनका ख़त्म देना बंद हो जाता है, इधर उधर खेलते हैं, इधर उधर जाते हैं, कहते हैं, सडनली उसको कुछ होता है एंड शी इज़ नो लॉन्गर बॉदर्ड.
Because she's now left them independent.
She hasn't done anything. It's God who's done it.
Detachment. Yeah.
हाँ, नहीं तो वो तो मर जाएगा. जानवर है,
हाँ.
मर जाएगी.
हाँ.
उसके 6-6, 8-8 बच्चे वो जो है वो छोड़ के वो चली जाती है उधर.
हाँ.
उसको अल्लाह ने उतनी ही मेमोरी दी है जिसके साथ वो खुश रहे.
It's exactly like हमने थोड़ी देर पहले जो बात की.
उसको उतनी मेमोरी दी है जिसके साथ वो खुश रहे. उससे ज़्यादा अगर वो दे देता ना, तो वो जिंदा कैसे रहती 8 बच्चों के बगैर.
और बच्चे भी इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होते.
कुछ भी ना होता. तो वो बिल्ली का जो प्रोसेस था ना, वो थोड़ा सा अल्लाह ने मेरे में भी डाल दिया कि जहाँ तक बर्दाश्त करो उधर तक वो देता है.
सही बात है.
This is in a nutshell. This is what it is.
It's beautiful you say that because I've just come back from the Shri Aurobindo Ashram in Pondicherry. और वहाँ पे माना जाता है, वहाँ पे काफ़ी फिलोसफीज़ में है, पर ये बोलते हैं कि 2 तरीके होते हैं to go towards light, towards God. One is the path of the baby monkey, the other one is the path of the baby cat. The baby monkey has to hold on to its mother when the mother is jumping, which means it is faith. But the baby cat has to do nothing. It has to surrender to the mother. The mother picks it up and puts it where it has to be. So the path of least resistance is what they say.
यहाँ से गर्दन से पकड़ के जैसे it's amazing.
Yeah.
You know, you get so educated when you're working with animals. उनकी nature, उनकी चीज़ें, you learn so much from them. Especially being grateful. It's amazing how you learn from animals कि ये कितने grateful होते हैं. हमने अगर किसी जानवर के लिए इतना भी कुछ किया है ना, उसने मेरे लिए 100 दफ़ा ज़्यादा किया in return.
How beautiful.
You just have to know that.
You have to understand that is their way of returning the love that you give them. Amazing. There's so much more in that world.
और ये जो concept है especially हम लोगों का थोड़ा सा ऐसा है, लोगों ने बना दिया इस्लाम में कि कुत्ता गंदा होता है, इसको पास नहीं आने देना, फलाना. ये नहीं है. People who have read the Quran know exactly. हमारे रसूल कहते थे कि घर में अगर आपके पास एक जानवर है ना और आपका कोई काम करने वाला है जिनमें इतना दम नहीं है कि उनको भूख लगी है तो आपसे पहले वो कह दें कि हमें खाना चाहिए, उनको पहले दो. तो जो कुरान भी इस लेवल पे चीज़ें लेके गया, जो उसके अंडरस्टैंडिंग कुरान से लेगा, दे कांट गो रॉन्ग. So this is the importance of an animal in Quran.
Yeah, how beautiful.
और it's a declared animal. जन्नत का है. इस पे पूरी एक वर्स है, सूरत कहफ.
अच्छा.
The loyalty of the dog.
Oh, okay. How beautiful. There's so much together, like wisdom as well as religion and art and all coming together in this conversation. I'm really, really enjoying it.
This is a sign of a good interview. You never know कि किधर से उठा है और किधर निकल गया
हम
है.
फिल्म्स की बात ज़्यादा कर नहीं रहे.
No,
We're
but you,
talking about
mashallah, very inspiring, and you've been asking such beautiful questions.
it's you. Your energy is making me do that. There's nothing. It's just a flow. It's a beautiful flow of energy. We have to have you sing some more songs for us.
I would rather talk to you. I like talking to you.
But when you had a song like Dil Ke Arma Aansu Mein Beh Gaye, and it is one of the most, most requested, most... उसकी जो lyrics हैं, आप उनमें believe करते हो? क्योंकि आप ऐसे नहीं हो.
हाँ. नहीं, lyrics में अब you sing a lot of songs, but there are certain things in life which bond to you so, cling to you in a way that you start feeling कि ये क्या हुआ मेरे साथ. Why did Hasan Kamal write this song?
Right.
हमारे भाई बने में बहुत अच्छे सॉन्ग राइटर हैं माशाल्लाह से, बहुत अच्छा लिखते हैं, शायर हैं. बट हमने कहा आपने ये क्या गाना लिखा है हमारे लिए. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आई एम अ वेरी हैप्पी पर्सन. आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू गॉड. ही इज़ गिवन मी सो मच.
And it's amazing to talk to you. There is, I think, also the fact that you, for people like us, you inspire us with just being you. Just being you, living the life that you are living. And we'd like to see you more doing shows in Dubai, doing a lot of podcasts and a lot of more information, I think,
I
shared.
love Dubai. I love Dubai. I love coming to Dubai.
Yeah. When was your first trip to Dubai? Do you remember?
Long time ago when my sister got married. She has got married to the Zaruni family.
Okay.
My
Brother-in-law.
brother-in-law's name is Najib Zaruni.
Okay.
And they were married some 30 years ago.
Ah, that was the first time you came
That
here.
was the first time we came here. He's a wonderful man, and they've had a very good, happy married life, and no second wife. That's part of the happy life.
Yeah.
No, he's a wonderful husband.
Right.
एंड तब से आते हम लोग यहाँ पर और बहुत अच्छा लगता है. दिस इज़ लाइक होम नाउ रियली. और यहाँ की प्रिंसिपल्स, यहाँ की लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, द वे पीपल हैंडल थिंग्स और द जस्टिस,
Right.
इट्स वंडरफुल. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल कंट्री.
I think this conversation needs a part 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is just part 1. And we will
Any
surely...
time for you. And I enjoyed my interview thoroughly.
Thank you
It's
so
a
much.
very real, natural and good for health
It is good for health.
interview. Yes.
Yes. And
I spoke my heart out.
and the wisdom.
I didn't, yeah.
Thank you for the wisdom that you imparted.
Thank
That
you
is,
so
I think,
much.
very precious.
I am honored by your compliments. Thank you.
Thank you.